Hey, so you've heard about ChatGPT, maybe you've even tried it once or twice. But let's be honest, are you really squeezing the most out of it? Today I'm sharing 5 pro tips to help you master ChatGPT even if you don't know a single line of code. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, talk to it like a personal assistant. Don't just say write an email, go specific. Try, act as a professional HR manager and write an email to a candidate rejecting them respectfully. When you give ChatGPT a role, it levels up its answers seriously. It's like having your own expert on speed dial. Next, unlock custom instructions. This is a totally free feature inside your ChatGPT settings. Tell it how you want to be talked to. Maybe you want responses that are always formal, super casual, detailed, or just straight to the point. Now every answer feels like it was made just for you. Why settle for generic? Third tip, use it for research but smarter. Instead of falling into the Google rabbit hole, ask ChatGPT to summarize for you. For example, give me 3 key differences between ETFs and mutual funds with pros and cons. It's like having a no-fluff, super-focused search engine at your fingertips. Number 4, templates for daily tasks. Create some go-to prompts you can reuse, like summarize this article in bullet points or write an Instagram caption with 3 emojis and 2 hashtags. Save time, cut the faff, and get consistent results every time. And last but not least, combine ChatGPT with free tools like Canva or Notion. Generate content ideas in ChatGPT, then drop them into Canva for design or Notion for planning. Suddenly you're not just chatting, you're building your own productivity workflow. Like these tips? Hit subscribe for more no-code AI hacks here on Bot and Beyond. And check out the links below. Every tool I mentioned is 100% free to start. See you in the next one.